Hey everyone, today's video is the first in a series featuring the 5 campgrounds in the John Ruedi Recreation Area. At nearly 1,000 acres and 12 miles of shoreline, Ruedi Reservoir is a popular destination for boating, sailing, and fishing. It is also home of the Aspen Yacht Club. Ruedi Recreation Area is located in the Frying Pan River Valley, 15 miles east of Basalt. Aspen is 33 miles away, and we are just over 38 miles from Glenwood Springs. The 5 campgrounds here in the recreation area have nearly 90 campsites. One campground is at the far east end of the lake, while the other 4 are all near the marina on the west end. Let's go check out the 8 campsites at the Ruedi Marina Campground. Elevation here is 77.40. Fee per night is $23, with a $2 holiday fee for the big 3 summer holidays. Reservations are accepted and highly recommended. You can make those reservations on recreation.gov anywhere from 4 days to 6 months in advance of your stay. There is no cell service in the Frying Pan River Valley. The closest service is in Basalt, 15 miles away. The Hunter Frying Pan Wilderness area is near the recreation area, and there's a couple of popular trails. You've got the Ruedi Trail, which leads 8 miles to the top of Red Table Mountain, and then you also have the Rocky Fork Trail, which follows Rocky Fork Creek, and it's great for fishing. Boat trailers are not allowed in the 3 adjacent campgrounds. That'd be the Little Maud Campground, the Molly B, and the Little Maddie Campground. Okay. So that's why there's so many trailers parked here. The 8 campsites are all grouped together on the edge of the lake. Max RV length here is 45 feet. It looks like the 8 campsites here at the Ruedi Marina Campground are not very popular due to the busyness of the boat ramp. If you can't get reservations at the neighboring campgrounds, this could always be a last resort. All right, thanks for watching.
Have a blessed day.